Hey everybody, Jeremy Allen here. I want to tell you what I do. If you don't know what I do, I teach people how to use WordPress. But most importantly, I teach people, the basics of WordPress. Whether you're looking for the top WordPress plugins or how to maximize your search engine optimizations to make sure that you're found on Google and other search engines. I teach you backlinking tools to help and aid with your WordPress, and I also teach and suggest ways of how I've learned how to build a WordPress website. And it doesn't have to cost you a fortune. Most people are going to hire some fancy tech guy out there who says he can do everything, but really what he's doing is using these same services that basically are going to run through each one of the steps through a simple tutorial and teach you exactly how to build a WordPress website. It's really not that difficult. And if you know anything basic about a computer, basically if you could turn on a computer, you can eventually learn how to build a WordPress website. It's only taken me not very long to go from thinking that I had to know all this HTML and all this coding, programming, techno, whatever language, but that's not the case. There's great programs out there that make it so simple it's ridiculous, and basically if you can run a WordPress dashboard behind the scenes and post your blog articles, you can create a website. It's pretty simple stuff. And then also I teach people how to make money blogging. How do you monetize your blog and make money from it? So there's different ways of doing that, and I explain all the different ways of which directions, whether you want to create an open market on your blog for people to buy products, or you want to become an affiliate, or you want to run courses, or you want to advertise your services. There's a variety of different ways, and probably one of the easiest ways is once you figure out your own niche. If you can find out a niche that you're really in and focus on that niche, then you can start from there and you can move on forward, and you eventually, I'd say, if you are very dedicated, within 3 to 6 months you're going to start earning money from that blog. It's really simple stuff as long as you follow the programs. So one of the things that I suggest that you do is, first of all, click the link below, visit my website, and there's going to be a pop-up, and I'm going to give you a free opportunity to have access to a 30-page PDF file explaining the essence of WordPress and why you should use this as your website. And then also throughout there, you're going to receive my own behind-the-scenes course. Once you have opted in to my emails, you're going to receive the very basic essence of exactly of how my system is that I've created, of how to make money using your WordPress. I'm going to lay it simple out to you. I'm going to go through SEO tools that I use that are specific to WordPress, and just completely lay out everything that I do. I'd like to give away my secrets, but unfortunately I'm not going to give every single one of them away on my website. But if you opt into that email, I will tell you everything that I do in order to rank high in search engines, and which plugins are the best to use for your WordPress, and which courses are actually worth purchasing in order to further advance your education for making money online. So I encourage you to visit my website, opt into that forum, receive your manual on WordPress, and together, I'll help you succeed learning WordPress. So to the best of luck to you, and I'll see you soon to dominating Google with WordPress.